testing alone is not enough. Move from detection to prevention with IBM Ignite Quality Test and you can achieve the application quality you need. Ignite optimizes the number and type of tests, automates the testing process and uses AI to analyze past defects and prevent them in the future. Here's how it works. Here we have the Telstra website, which helps clients engage your products, including the paying of mobile phone bills. With Ignite, we take these test cases and run them through our STAM test accelerator. STAM, or Search, Tagging and Modeling, is a feature of Ignite that mines test cases, and it finds ones that are exactly the same or very similar and groups them together into what it calls clusters. The black rectangles here are clusters of duplicate tests. The attributes and values found in these clusters are used in Ignite's test optimization feature, called Combinatorial Test Design, or CTD. The attributes and values in this model represent the behavior of the application from a tester's perspective. The business rules guide how the test plan is put together by combining the values from different attributes. Running a test plan for this particular application based on the CTD model, we can get an optimal set of test cases, 20 good path and 3 bad path, which represent 100% coverage of business variations for this application. Note the actual automation in Cucumber format is generated from CTD. Here we have new user stories from Sprint 2, where we can modify the model from CTD, and compare the Sprint 1 test plan to the model in Sprint 2. CTD has done the analysis and found 4 different ways of getting to 100% coverage, including modifying the original set of test cases and eliminating redundant test cases. The generated Cucumber scenarios are then integrated into the Ignite automation framework, called Optimized Test Flow Automation, or OTFA. Then the Ignite data acquisition feature will search the test data catalog and find the test data which exactly matches the data needed for the automation scenarios, and integrate the test data through a database or spreadsheet. We are now going to map, either automatically or manually, the HTML identifiers to find the different objects using XPath or others, and then store the objects for later use. Now that we have integrated data and objects into the automation test case, we'll start executing the automation. We can run the automation either sequentially or in parallel by different platforms, devices or browsers, or in parallel by different scenarios. We can run on different environments or browsers, execute the automation and store the results in this easily accessible report. Overall, quality can be improved with Ignite Defect Analytics, or IDA, a feature of Ignite that uses AI to analyze defects and other artifacts. This analysis allows us to come up with recommended changes to the overall SDLC to put a high-quality plan together for making changes to prevent those defects. Here's an example of changes made based on excessive user documentation defects. The defects can be set in the quality plan either manually or automatically using IDA. Each part of the Ignite Quality platform, optimization, automation and analytics, works together to deliver the application quality which Telstra needs.